Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Coinbase Pro account is essential for trading cryptocurrencies and involves identity and address verification. Step 1. Create a Coinbase Pro account or log into your existing account through the Coinbase Pro website. Step 2. Click on your profile icon and select Settings or Verify Identity to begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide your personal information, including full legal name, date of birth, and residential address, as required by financial regulations. Step 4. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID such as a driver's license, passport, or state ID card. Step 5. Take a selfie for facial recognition verification, ensuring good lighting and that your face is clearly visible. Step 6. Verify your residential address by uploading a recent utility bill, bank statement, or government document showing your name and address. Step 7. Wait for Coinbase to review your submitted documents, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days. Step 8. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation and can access full trading features with higher limits and the ability to deposit and withdraw funds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.